In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Monday.com. This versatile tool is perfect for managing tasks efficiently and ensuring your productivity is on track. Let's dive into how you can get started and make the most of time tracking with Monday.com. To begin, you'll need to add a specific column to your board. Look for the plus icon, which you'll find located right next to the last column on your board. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This will open a menu where you can find a variety of column options to enhance your board's functionality. In the search bar, type in time tracking. Once you see it appear in the options, select it. And just like that, you've added the time tracking column to your board. It's a simple step, but it's crucial for effectively monitoring your team's time management. Now that you've set up the time tracking column, let's talk about how you can actually use it. In this column, each cell features a play button. Clicking this button will start a timer for that particular task or project. Feel free to let the timer run while you focus on your work and come back to pause it when you're ready. This action will log the duration of time spent on that specific task, allowing you a crystal clear view of how your time is allocated across different activities. It's as straightforward as that. What's more, when you click on the time log within the cell, you'll also be presented with a detailed log of the time tracked. This feature not only shows the currently clocked time, but also maintains a historical record of previous timings. It's a handy function for reviewing how your time has been spent, making it easier to adjust your schedule or workload in the future if necessary. In addition to automatic tracking, there are times when you might need to log time manually. Nor everyone can consistently start and stop timers due to various work dynamics. To cater to this need, Monday.com allows you to add sessions manually. This feature is especially useful if you're tracking time retrospectively, such as for meetings or tasks you completed without initiating the timer. By clicking on the time log, you can enter the exact amount of time spent to ensure your records remain accurate and up to date. That's all it takes to make the most of the time tracking feature in Monday.com. With these simple steps, you can greatly enhance your project management efforts by keeping a closer eye on how you and your team spend time. It's an excellent way to boost productivity and keep everything on schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do.